My name is Jeremy Broadstreet. I'm the general manager of the Kansas City branch at Beldon. I used to be one of the sales trainers. Beldon started in 1946. We started off in roofing. Over the years, we got into selling the leaf guard gutter system. That's what really expanded our business. We had a lot of our customers asking us if we did siding and windows, which we didn't at the time, and now we're starting to branch out and do a lot more products. We like to do it right the first time, and Hover really helps us out with that. When we launched the siding division, we thought it was going to take a really long time to get everybody up to speed. We have over 100 representatives. It was going to be difficult to teach every single one of those salesmen how to measure a home. Since we started using Hover from the beginning, now we don't have to do any measuring. We have all of our information all in one PDF. It's really easy for the salesman to figure out and how to use. And it made them a lot more confident.
Hover really simplifies our process. What typically happens is we send somebody out to take the pictures in advance. Those pictures are then uploaded into the system, and that gives us the numbers that we need and the 3D model in preparation for our presentation with the customer.
You know, from the moment that Beldon came out and started showing us the product, we were just absolutely amazed with the crew and the company. Caleb, our salesman, was also very kind and courteous, and he explained a lot about the product before we went ahead with it. The 3D model that was shown to us was really, I think, the thing that sold us on the job, because it brought the whole thing to reality, and my husband and I were absolutely so pleased with that little touch.
The 3D view that they showed us did make a difference in whether we went with Beldon. The other people that we talked to didn't show us that, and we kind of had to just believe what they were going to tell us as far as how the house was going to look. The 3D view that Beldon showed us made a big difference because we could actually see what the house would look like when it was finished.
Ultimately, customers look at us as the expert. They want us to advise them on what colors to use on their home. In a 3D model, what that does, I don't have to advise them, I can just show them. And then they can make that choice and they feel confident with their decision.
I needed a siding project done, and I came across two companies. So I chose Beldon because of Caleb, the project manager. He showed me the 3D model. The 3D model gave me a good idea of what my house was going to look like when it was completed. I think it's going good. They seem to be handling it very well.
Typically, when you go out to look at a siding job, you spend a lot of time measuring, then you look at materials, and then it takes a while to put your estimate and everything together, and usually you have to go back multiple times. Now that we have Hover, we can go in one time, we have all of our measurements, and we can show them what their house is going to look like when we get done, and it's really set us apart from the competition.